Yes, yes, you read the title correctly. This is another Maratac video. They just keep pumping out really interesting stuff, man. What can I say? This time, I'll just do the containers. Maratac is awesome. They have all kinds of stuff for EDC gearheads, for campers, for military personnel, if you like gadgets and outdoors. Now, they used this is new. This is a new product. I'll talk about it. But they've been using this case, protective carry case, for a while now. So, precision screwdriver kit comes with this. If you get the master kit, they also sent their awesome Altomare GMT 42 millimeter compressor style watch in a similar case, and then they sell these cases separately, so you can use it for your medication and all kinds of things. These cases are amazing. I tried breaking them by hand, impossible. At least with my strength, I was not able to break this, but I went even farther today. And as you will see in the footage, I actually drove over both of these with my SUV. Toyota SUV. It's not a Tacoma, but it's not too much far off. Then I tested both for waterproofness. The smaller one actually got water in, but neither of them, I wasn't able to break any. This one I drove over as well, and it would just pop open. This lid would just pop open. So in terms of protecting from physical damage, most definitely I would trust this. I'm not sure if I damaged the integrity of the seal by driving over it a few times, and maybe that's why water got in. But to my surprise, that did not happen to the large one. This held the internals waterproof. So very cool. Let's go watch the video. Now, when you're on the CountyComm website looking for all these really cool gadgets, first of all, crazy low prices. Make sure you use my discount code, which is in the description, WisMods, 10% off from your entire order. Your watch purchase, your lighters, knives, whatever you purchase on CountyComm, you will get 10% off. So let's see the test footage. So what happens if you're carrying your really cool Maratac bag and you're carrying your valuables inside in this Maratac carry cases that are basically bomb-proof. I have very valuable stuff in here. So what happens if, let's say, you put stuff in there? This is uneven ground, by the way, and this is the first time I'm doing it. I have no clue. I hope I don't break them. But so this is it. Yeah, I have very valuable stuff. I will show you. I mean, it's not jewelry, but I wouldn't want them broken. Let's see what we have in here. We got some really cool flashlights in for review. What do we have in here? Here we have a Demco and an SRM knife, both well preserved. Let's turn them over. Again, you see this is uneven ground and there are rocks everywhere. So yeah, let's turn it over. And I am trying to avoid rocks, but they're under the grass. I can't see all of it. So check this out. It's even holding. So each of them individually is actually holding my weight, which is about 85 kilograms, 100 and something pounds, each on uneven ground. That is amazing. I've heard that they ran a Toyota Tacoma over this. I don't have a Tacoma, but I do have a Prado. So Let's see if he can actually hold the weight. This will be amazing. What? You want to play? Huh? You want to play? Do you think you can break this thing? It opened, but that's it. Nothing is broken. This is really weird. And it is hard plastic. It's not like soft. What? Hey, Toby. Go. We just tested this thing and I ran over it, I think 4 or 5 times with both of the tires. They also make this tiny little thing, which I actually find even cooler than this. This is just bomb-proof. I did check just by finger feel, and this is thicker plastic than this, but this is smaller. And it has all those ridges and stuff for increased rigidity. So I'm going to put this on the back wheel and this on the front wheel again, and just go back and forth. Now to me, this is really strange. I mean, in a positive way, this is amazing that the containers can actually withstand so much weight. Okay. And then reverse. I didn't hear a crack or anything. So nothing broke? No? What the hell? Same with this. It opened, which is natural under pressure. This thing just opened, but everything is intact. What the bloody hell? So it is true. I guess they did drive a Tacoma over it. And this thing again, also open, but operational. Now let's check whether these are waterproof, because both the small one, why I said I like it better is actually it's just more compact, and I guess for EDC this you can use more than, this you need a bag to carry, but this one has a rubber insert molded, and it's a better one than the larger container. But the larger container also has somewhere, no rubber, no, it has foam. It has a foamy insert in here on the lid, and then on the bottom part it has a plastic. So anyway, let's test the waterproofness. All natural testing environment. So I'll just put a stone on top of this and leave it for a while. There we go. We'll come check on them later. Now it's been about I guess about 2 hours since we put this in here. Nope, dry. So I mean, it's not probably not 200 meters waterproof, but at this depth you're fine. Okay, this one leaked some water in, you see, but this is after I ran over it a few times with my SUV. So this did leak some water through, huh? That's interesting. But I can already tell it's been pressed so much that maybe I just damaged this rubber lip. I don't know. But it did get water in. But this guy, man, this guy is amazing. Zero water inside, I think. Let's check. No. This is dry. I'm putting it on my lips just to check. This is dry. So this foam insert did better than this rubber, and I thought that rubber would do better, this one. But somehow, as you can see, this is wet inside. But again, I did run over it a few times with my SUV. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Reviews for all of this awesomeness also coming soon, and have a good one.